How to deposit funds on Forex.com. Are you guys facing issues to deposit funds on your Forex.com account? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To deposit funds in your Forex.com account, first of all, open the browser on your laptop or mobile devices, then enter Forex.com website. Once you enter the website, click on login. After you click on login, you'll be forwarded to this page where you can see web trading, my account, MetaTrader. Just simply tap on my account, then tap on funding and choose deposit. You'll see multiple options: bank transfer, credit debit card, wire transfer, and even e-wallets like Neteller or Square. The minimum deposit is typically $100 or the equivalent in your currency, and many methods process funds instantly. Bank transfers often arrive in under 30 minutes, while wire transfer may take 1 to 2 business days, sometimes longer for international transfer. Make sure the bank or e-wallet account is registered under your name, since third-party funding isn't allowed. Once you complete the deposit, your funds will appear in your trading account and you can start trading right away. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in the channel for guidance. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.